How to fix Windows Update install error 0x80070308. Hello friends, follow the steps. The first step is reset Windows Update cache. Click on Start, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select Run as administrator. Go to the video description. We will find these commands there. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Type Y and hit enter. Copy the third line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. In the same way, run all these commands one by one. Then close all the running tasks and restart your computer. After restarting, try to install the update. The next step is fix problems using Windows Update using recovery settings. Click on Start, select Settings. Go to System, go to Recovery, click on it. This is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall Now. Select OK. The system will check for updates. When you are asked, restart your computer and then try to install the update. The next step is reset Windows 11. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, again click on Recovery. For reset this PC, click on Reset PC. Select Keep My Files. This will preserve your personal data. Click on Local Reinstall. Select Next. Finally, click on Reset. After resetting is completed, check for updates and try to install it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.